Hello, this is a very quick description of how to do your graphic design resume. Everything is basically listed for you, and when you're thinking about your resume for a graphic design job or career or something specific to graphic design, you're going to be changing the entire look and feel from not just a basic standard resume, but something that's got a little more flair, a little bit more interest, and some personality. So I just wanted to go over some of the options, and you're welcome to use Photoshop, Illustrator, or InDesign, but I highly recommend Illustrator or InDesign for your resume. There are a few requirements. It does ask that you please put your logo that you've already designed somewhere on your resume. And there are lots of ways to break up the space. There's examples that you can look at. You can Google it and see lots of different ways that design resumes have been made. All of these headings are things that you should touch on. Sometimes two of them will combine. So, for instance, if you don't have a lot of organizations you belong to, you can focus more on the interests. Or, for instance, if you have capabilities, but they mainly are software skills, you can join those two together as well. Please focus on, for experiences, if you've had a lot of jobs, which most people haven't in high school, if you have jobs, you may put them in there, or you can focus your experiences on things you've done in class. So perhaps you could focus on the restaurant project we did and how you were able to present to some graphic design judges. Or maybe you could focus on a special project that you did, or how you learned how to use the vinyl cutter in your graphic design class. So if you have limited experiences, you might have to beef it up with class assignments as experiences. For education, mainly it's high school related, so list your graphic design classes, art classes, if you've taken CAD, if you've taken manufacturing, anything that might apply to what a graphic designer would need to know can be part of your education section. If you haven't won any awards, you can leave that out. You don't need to put the word awards and then put nothing beneath it. But you kind of get to decide what you do with yours. And again, there'll be examples posted that you can look at. And I do have a pretty specific list of information that you need to have on there. Um, and then just have fun with it. Make it yours. Make it something you're proud of. Please spell check it and show it to a couple people before you are finished with it. It will be the second page in your final portfolio. So it's an important project to have done to your liking.